a simple robotic car.
I am building a car, and this is gear motor, power board, wheel, car frame. This is caster wheel, and I connect the battery in the power.
I am going to explain multiple GPI1. This is LED. This is connected to pin number 9.
Okay.
And this is connected to pin number 10. And buzzer is connected to pin number 11.
Use here Arduino buzzer and soil moisture sensor. If our garden need water, the soil moisture sensor is on and pass the signal to Arduino. Arduino Uno provide a